Alright, Tubes. We're over here at Engine Nights. We got Road King here.
Hey!
And I'm over here. Mike's on his way. But we got a lot going on tonight, so we decided we were going to get a head start. And I just picked up this Troy built here. Actually, a buddy of mine found it in the trash, and he called me up and he asked if I wanted it. I said, sure. Because most of the time you get these things, people throw them out, and there's usually nothing wrong with them. You know, sometimes the carburetor's clogged up, but sometimes it's not even that. It's got compression. That's good. It's got compression. It's not seized up, so I say we put a little bit of gas in it and see what happens. All right, stand by. What are you doing there, buddy?
Good, buddy. I found your problem.
Oh man,
The gas line is broke.
there's your problem.
Oh yeah, look at it.
There you go. Oh, you're making a mess.
I know. Look at it. It's coming out.
Oh,
Where's it
yeah.
coming out? Can you see where it's coming from?
Not really. It's coming from right on top of the tank. It looks like.
I got some of that line, so
All right.
hopefully that's just your problem.
Yeah, hopefully.
Wouldn't that be something?
Yeah. I'm
All
telling you, you never know. Sometimes.
Yeah.
All right. Well, let's get some gas line and clean this mess up. You see anything, buddy?
I did. Bring the camera down here. It looks like it might be coming from the tank itself.
Oh no.
Yeah. Oh look, it's coming and stripping like a bitch now.
Yeah, it doesn't look like it's coming from the line.
Now look at it. Oh man.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
All right. Well, how about we see if we can get the tank out, or at least get some of this plastic out of the way, and confirm it's coming from the tank.
Even then, if it hits a tank, it might.
Yeah. Still be worth it, probably. All right. I got this thing just about ready to come apart here, but before we do that, look who showed up. Small engine mechanic.
How you doing?
Small engine mechanic Mike showed up. You want to take this thing apart, buddy? There's not. I got it.
Oh, you already did it.
Yeah, there's not much to it. But anyway, now we should be able to inspect our tank here and figure out if it's got a crack or a hole in it or what's going on. So let's take a closer look. All right, I think I found the problem here. Looks like we're going to luck out. The only thing wrong here is this line right here is supposed to be going into the tank right there.
What'd you say to having that fuel line?
You got any fuel line? Oh man, look at
40
you.
foot.
Oh man, we're ready to go. Alright, let's swap them out. Alright, we swapped out our lines here. So I guess probably the best thing to do is before we put it back together, we should probably put some gas in it. In case there's another leak.
Alright.
So where'd that gas can go?
I put it away.
Oh man, what'd you put it away for?
I didn't think you were going to fix it.
Oh man,
I thought you were going to need a gas tank.
you forgot who was working on it.
Yeah, but I thought you were going to need a gas tank.
Oh, okay. I'll fill it up. Alright, that's good. I don't think it's leaking. It's not leaking on this side.
I should go full tank.
How's it look over there, brother?
Good. Look good.
Alright. Back together, and as you guys saw, it needed that fuel line going into the tank. And I also noticed that the primer was hooked up incorrectly. They were reversed. So we got them straightened out. Now when you press the primer, it pumps fuel into the carb instead of air into the gas tank. So I think we're ready to try it. We go outside, buddy?
Yep.
Alright. Alright, I got my assistant small engine mechanic Mike here. He's going to give it a shot. Yeah, there you go.
What do you have to set the throttle?
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
Because as soon as you turn the throttle up, it shuts the choke off. You got the switch on?
Oh, it's
I for ignition.
momentary, right? Yeah.
Okay.
Spring loaded momentary. Oh,
There you go.
I don't think you primed it.
Oh. Shut the choke off. There you go.
Oh, here it goes. I need a little adjustment there.
No, overall it runs.
a little tweak in
A
here.
little adjustment, and it should be good to go. Alright, well, that's good enough for me.
Alright, Tubes.
Alright, Tubes.
Put it back to curb.
See you in the next one. Say goodbye, Road King.
See you there.
See you, Mike.
Say Tubes.
Bye, Tubes.